Lumens, your reliable partner.
This video shows you how to upgrade the firmware of Lumens cameras and media processors using Deployment Tool 2.0. This video is divided into 4 parts. Let's start with the equipment you need. You will require a Windows PC, the Deployment Tool software, Lumens cameras, and media processors. All hardware devices need to be connected to the same network. Step 2. First, you need to install the software on your PC. Go to the Download section on the Lumens website. Search Lumens Deployment Tool, and download the installation file. Click on this file to install the software. Now the application is installed, we're ready to get started. Launch the application. Type in the username and password, then click Login. The default username and password are admin. You will be directed to the register page to create an account. Go to Discovery page and click Search icon. Deployment Tool will now start to search Lumens devices on the network we'll listed. Download and upgrade firmware using the Deployment Tool. You can check the current version in the firmware column. If the firmware is in blue with an asterisk, this means there is a newer version available for download. Click on the link to open the download window. You can also read the release notes here. Click Download Now, select a folder to begin the download. You can quickly select and update one or multiple units of the same type. Select Upgrade Master Firmware under Controls and then open the file to start upgrade process. It will take between 3 and 7 minutes to update depending on the device. Do not turn off the devices before the process is completed. When the update is complete, the unit will reboot and the new version of the firmware will be displayed. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.